Double horse telecontrol ships possess professional workmanship and accuracy of control. It is the stuff of aquatic legends. The number 7000 Speed, number 7002 Blue Whale, and number 7006 Flying Fish are the most classical ones. Number 7000 is called the Speed Prince. Its bullet head, single stern, and smooth outline produce wind resistance efficiently at any speed. The number 7002 Blue Whale is a veritable aquatic giant. It has a dorsal fin, smooth and plump body, and bright colors. With its twin sterns, the number 7006 Flying Fish is also known as the aquatic elf. Its lower center of gravity increases the area of contact with the water. Ready? Let's go! Look, Speed is flashing by. Blue Whale is speeding. Flying Fish is shuttling nimbly. Go straight, turn, switch the tail, speed up, and speed up again, leaving the wind, waves, and landscape far behind. Here are the number 7001, 7003, and 7004. Double Horse, the aquatic king.